How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. I have a quick look at Loopring, and I'm on the monthly chart at the moment, and as you can see, for the last 2 months, possibly 2.5, we've been dying a slow death, which has taken us from pretty much the all-time high. I'm using the Binance figures, pretty much from the all-time high about 388, and we've wicked down as low as, let me just jump into that, it's looking like a 60-cent mark. And going to turn off the volume for this video just so we've got some clearer analysis on what's going on. Right, so essentially going back over the last 5 or 6 months, we've got a significant channel of support resistance where we're currently sitting. There's no two ways around it, and we're getting a bit too happy in here and we need to break free. And if I zoom back out so you can see what's been going on, we've actually, from the original move back from June 20, we've actually just wicked clean through the 786, which is slightly concerning, and we stopped at circa the 60-cent range, which was support back in April to April, from February to May 21, and also was support August, September and October before we made our parabolic move through December. So I don't see us moving much lower than hopefully where we are, but realistically 55 cents should be the absolute bottom. But what we need to do now is break back above 786 at 88 cents, and then that should hopefully see us make another move. As long as Bitcoin continues moving sideways or higher, I am expecting one more downturn from Bitcoin, and I think it will be quite a big one. Not sub 30, but because we've had a really good protection bounce today, although it was only a 10% move, it was nice to see. And yeah, I do think that there is a downturn tomorrow for Bitcoin, and as such, I think we're gonna wick down to at least 61.9, possibly even down to 55, and from there the drops get a bit steeper. We do not want to lose we don't want to lose 56 cents really. Having a very short candle below and wick straight back above, not a problem. But if we are to fall below and struggle to break back above, then we're kind of in an area that's untested, because when we've been below or been above, we have basically just flown through. We've not really had periods of stopping for testing. So it's critical for Loopring that it holds 55. I think if it does wick back to about the 50 zone, you're going to see a strong wick, which actually might take us from 50 to 90, but that would essentially be a protection bounce. So yeah, I'll do a bit more coverage on Loopring because it's had some bad press of late, but equally it has always been a strong contender. When Bitcoin begins to recover, Loopring normally takes off at about 8 times the percentage. So if we get a 5% recovery from Bitcoin, we normally get a 40% recovery from Loopring. So it's a good one for retail to recover some losses on. That's probably my only reason for liking Loopring, and it's always been my go-to in the past. I think I've mentioned it previously. So it's not nice to see it sitting where it is, when it has really been 5 or 6 times higher than where we are now, and not that long ago. So good luck to everyone who's in. It's not financial advice, but please do remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.